But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Thank you very much for tuning in. So we got a few people in here already. What's up, Mr. Rick? How you doing today, man? What's up, Jason Gregory? Got Mr. KC, Win Moon. What's going on, guys? Give everybody a few minutes to get in here. Then we'll start breaking down some TA on some of these altcoins out here that aren't looking necessarily too healthy. What's up, Jonathan K? Got Win Moon throwing some rockets in the chat. Saw Elon had a little tweet today. Kind of really lifted Dogecoin up. We had ADA smart contracts released, and we're down 4.71%. So we'll look into everything, see where everything's, get some support resistance lines, and see where we think everything's heading. What's up, Caesar C? One Shot GT. Yo, what's up, Matt? What's up, One Shot GT? How you doing, my friend? Got the ADA chart on the screen right now. I'm giving everybody a few minutes to get in here. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday night, man. Interesting day in the market, to say the least. What's up, OMG? Did you run out of hats? That's why you're not showing yourself? No, the past two nights, for some reason, the stream has been freezing on me. So I'm going to be working on some technical difficulty, technical stuff tonight to get rid of the difficulties we've been having ever since One Shot broke me with the super chats. But good to see you, OMG. Thank you very much for tuning in. What's up, Vu? How you doing, man? Thank you very much for tuning in to Matt's Market. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button for us. Greatly much appreciate it. Jonathan K says, doing well. Probably catch hell for this, but transferred some Doge to XYO and Anchor. Anchor's a good play. XYO is actually popping too. Might not be a bad thing to do right now. Doge, let's pull up the Doge chart real quick. ADA in a bit of a downward trend right now. Pretty surprised with the smart contract release today. Really doing, opposite of what we thought. It's, heading on a little bit of a downtrend right here. Let's check the 4-hour real quick on ADA. So still ascending level of support right here. We had that one drawn right here. Let me pop that one off. That didn't hold through. Leave that right there for right now. Let's hop over to Doge because we did have some action with Dogecoin today. We saw Elon tweet about Floki, his little Shiba Inu dog. He tweeted it out, and that's what caused this pretty major spike right here, which brought us all the way up to 25.45. But you can see we lost over 1 cent value since then. So once again, shows you the importance. Like if you see those Elon tweets and you see the major spikes, might be a good selling point toward the top end of that spike right there, guys. Love the trades on the side, clear and good. Are you talking about these right here? Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin. Yeah, man, those are all the top plays that we try to get into. We mentioned Solana before it ripped. Solana, I didn't even check Solana today. I need to look into that, see where it's at. But yeah, no, XRP right now to me is one of the top plays for the future. Short term, Dogecoin, let's zoom out on the 4-hour chart. RSI is still really low. You're not seeing the volume stepping in. Kind of a bearish flag right here, guys. So We really need to get out of this bearish little trend we've been in for the past couple days. That's what we're currently waiting for. We had Bitcoin above 45.5 and got rejected really hard, and we're coming down as of coming down really hard because of that. So I wouldn't be looking at any crypto mining stocks for tomorrow. They might all be down a little bit. If you buy puts, maybe you could put some puts on them. But as of right now, nothing's really popping in the market except for that tweet from Elon Musk caused Dogecoin to rise pretty rapidly. Let's check out some Ethereum, see where Ethereum's at, see if we're still above 33, and we are. So still same spot for Ethereum since last night. We were calling that 33 to 33. Still hanging out around that range, exactly around the range where we logged off last night. So we'll look to see how the market's doing tomorrow, guys. I mean, it's really nothing spectacular happening across the board right now. Maybe some good, decent buying opportunities will come up shortly, but we really need to get out of this little bit of a slump we're in right here to really get the market back moving. And we thought ADA was going to do that for us, but it might take a couple, possibly a couple days before we start seeing some real big spikes on ADA. Because as of right now, we're in a downtrend. We broke that level of support we had at 250, and we're heading down to currently possibly touch right around here, around 24. Where are we at right here? 246. So we're pretty close to maybe 242. We might get a bounce. Hopefully we'll get one soon. Let's pull up the 5 minutes, see where we're at. So we did hit 243. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop a line off of 243 and see if if we do get that low again, we can go ahead and possibly get a bounce right there again. But as of right now, it's looking bearish, guys. It's hopefully things will start to heat up for the week. Yeah, those are my coins too. ADA, awesome, man. Caught the 25 high. I think Doge may be stuck in the 24 for weeks. I hope not, man. I hope Doge really starts to move. Like we get those little spikes from Elon. But as of right now, it's trading sideways right now. It is trading sideways, my friend. Matt, I'm glad I saw when Elon tweeted and made some tendies. Yeah, man. I mean, you might possibly get in a little bit cheaper. Who knows? It's been trading sideways for quite some time. It's just not a lot of action going on in the market. XRP up 1.4%. Litecoin pretty neutral. Bitcoin for the day is neutral. ADA is just surprisingly down 5%. I don't understand. The shorts must be attacking it pretty hard right here. But it's not completely fallen out, so I'm not overly concerned about it. Great things have just, the ecosystem has been released. We were expecting some pretty good run up to it. Didn't happen, but the best case scenario here is hopefully this is the bottom for ADA and we'll continue to climb from this point on. That's really what I'm hoping. Maybe we hit that low bottom at 243 and we'll continue to grow from here. But until I see a little reversal right here on the 4-hour chart, let's pull it up. I mean, you got a little ascending level of support after this major drop off. That was Tuesday where we hit that 207 mark. So maybe this is getting close to the bottom here. We might bounce, try to make we haven't quite made a higher high. 30-minute chart right here. Yeah, I'm still looking for a bounce. I think you might see something come here shortly. It was doing some major type of consolidation. We had lower highs, higher lows until we fell out of that trend right there. And hopefully we're just going down to meet this ascending level of support right here and continue to bounce. We do have a level of support with that ascending level right here. Hopefully we get the bounce here soon, guys. So not too much going on in the markets. It's pretty stale right now. Dogecoin coming off of that major tweet. So you can see when Elon tweets, comes all the way back down. Might be a good tendy taking opportunity right there, guys, if you can time it pretty well. What's up, Steve Austin? Solana is 160. Oof. Everything's getting beat down. Got my ADA. Looks like the whales didn't want ADA to run like Bitcoin. Yeah, it's really sad that what's happening today. This was absolutely great news for Cardano to be down 5%. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not selling right now. I'm holding tight. Invu's causing possible 3842K very soon. Let's check out the Bitcoin chart, man. Do some TA on it. See what it's looking like. Bitcoin. Yeah, if we don't get some action moving into Bitcoin, I mean, you're on an ever so slightly higher low, higher low, higher low. Bounce here would be nice. Let's see. I mean, you're making higher highs and higher lows right here. I mean, it doesn't look like it, but that's a higher low right here. These two, and that's a higher low. If we can bounce here soon, maybe make a new higher high somewhere around 46.6, somewhere within that range. I mean, I'll take it, but yeah, if Bitcoin doesn't start doing anything here shortly, it might fall out to the downside, guys. We'll be keeping a close eye on it, of course. Little bit of a downward trend until we hit this up right here. And we're slowly starting to climb up a little bit, but it's just taking forever. And that's not what we want to see. I'd like to see some hint that the bulls are actually stepping back into the market, but we're not getting that right now. That real confirmation. Matt, show Elon puppy. Yeah, I can show it, man. Let me take all this down. Guys, if y'all not following me on Twitter, it's Matt's Market. Let's go to profile. I hit the retweet on it. There's Floki right there. That's what caused the major Dogecoin spike earlier today. What got Dogecoin moving up to 25.50 today. This little puppy right here. So Floki has arrived. So that tells you right there he has not forgot about Dogecoin the least bit, guys. He has not abandoned everybody. So don't ever think that. Oh, my speaker just got loud from a super sticker from Caesar C. Thank you very much for that 499 super sticker. That's the least you can do after beating my rear end in fantasy football today, man. Good game, no. Good game. Thank you very much for that 499 super sticker, man. Senor Market, hope you're having a good night. I am Ben Cadillac. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Fear and Greed Index has been going to the fear area. Yeah, you're seeing a little bit of correction, man. People are getting a little nervous right here. I mean, it's just what's going on. What's up, D-Grade? Says I got beer. That's the first for you in a long time, huh? That's what's up, man. What is Buttcoin doing? It keeps teasing and then dropping 1,000. Yeah, it's not looking the healthiest, my friend. It's really, I mean, a little bit of a downward trend here. Hopefully we're starting to consolidate. We have a little ascending level, but not much to talk about, man. It's really stale. I thought today with ADA was going to be a lot better. What's up, Alex? Jonathan K says, I got more beer. I got out most of my ADA back into Bitcoin earlier. I got you, man. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm surprised ADA's down so much on the day, guys. I really am. So 245 right now on the ADA. What's up, Josh? How you doing, man? Jonathan K coming in hot with a $2 super sticker, man. Thank you very much, dude. Y'all did not have to do that, but thank y'all, man. See, last time I checked, hold on, let me go check this out. Because last time I looked, man, you were, I was losing, man. Whoa. Tyreek Hill with 50 points. Whoa. Hold up. I did not see that, dude. Wow. I thought you had me, dude. The last play of the game, I just put it away. I thought you had me. That's crazy, man. Well, that's should maybe pay attention to that. But good game, man. Definitely good game. 44.8. We need to hold on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's we do. We definitely do. I'd like to hold 45. We're about to retest that, it looks like. So there's definitely some fear hopping into the market right here, guys. KFC and beer, it's a good night. Hell yeah. It's finger licking good, man. Like me some KFC. I took a BTC profit on the trade of 14 Bitcoin, so I ain't mad. That's what's up, man. Yeah, dude, I didn't know Tyreek Hill went off the chain, man. 50 burger? Nah, dude, I thought you had me, Caesar. I really did, man. What's up, RW? How you doing, man? We're just watching crypto, unfortunately, have a little bit of a downtrend right here. In the short term, we're getting really beat down from some highs we saw today. And, didn't quite get back to 280 right here. 278 was that top right here. So that is a little alarming to me. 280, we didn't quite get that 280 retest. And we're having some, we were having lower highs and higher lows until we had this break right here. And we broke to the downside. So let's find some area where we can consolidate within this range. Hopefully it doesn't get back in the 230 range. I just don't know, man. It's really hard to judge the market right here. .14, not 14. Here we go, Streamlabs again. I forgot to take that off, guys. I'm sorry. Trying in beast mode, Josh says. Pissed at Ada, a lot of expectations, sadly, nothing good. Yeah, man, it's just I thought we were gonna go on a pretty good run here today, and it kind of crushed everybody's expectations. Nearing 5.5% down. I still believe in Ada. I still think it's a really great play. I still think we'll see some high numbers this year, but we're just the day of the smart contract release. There was the hype wasn't there, man. It was not there. 230 says I'll put 100 on it. It could quite possibly come down to that two. Yeah, it's possible. I mean, anything's possible right now. We're getting beat down. That's some hard selling off. That's some big red candles. So that's some 30-minute candles. All for the past hours, it's just been getting sold off. You can see on the 5-minute chart, 242 is the bottom right here. Until we get a confirmation that we're breaking out of this trend, you could possibly hit 241, have a bounce. But nothing's looking too hot right now, especially with Bitcoin nearing 45,000. So Ada double dipping. Zoom out. See the last time we hit this range was when we ran up to 280 from the last dip. And come on, Weeble, why are you doing this? So yeah, I mean 247 was the technical breakout level for ADA. We're underneath that right now. See, 280 was top right here, so that's kind of where we saw that resistance at when that last run up to 280 yesterday. Let me get to the end over here. So I know it's, looking at it, it still is a little ascending level right here. We just have to be patient, guys. You could see it bounce pretty soon here. I'm looking for a bounce, honestly. Might not be a bad buying opportunity come shortly here on ADA. Hopefully we get a bounce come shortly and maybe have a pretty good run up. Maybe retest 270, somewhere within that range, and see where we can get. Dogecoin really turning red now for the day, 24.18. Bitcoin just dropped below 45. Let's see what it does. 45 is a pretty good level. 44.8, like OMG is saying, is a pretty major level for Bitcoin. We hit 44.2 back here. There's that 44.8. We'll pop that line on 44.8, see where we get. I would like to see a bounce here, just signifying, you know, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then see a pretty good run back up to make a new high over here. But man, we're taking some pretty big swings right now, guys. Really big swings. What's your stop loss on ADA? I'd have to say probably 225, man. As of right now, it might be around 225, maybe 230. But you see, a bad thing with that is, like sentiment, for instance. OMG was like, well, if it is 230, I might pick up 100. So then again, I might ride a little bit lower because, you know, typically a time when people are freaking out looking to sell, that's when the institutions are buying. A lot of people are buying it up, and you're selling while people are buying, and they're going to ride it back up, you know. So you do have to be careful. I don't see it. It's not completely falling out on its face. Hopefully tomorrow will be a green day for us. It's been overall flat for the whole weekend, like just completely flat. And it's discouraging, you know, especially if you hold in crypto. We thought this weekend was going to be great for ADA, you know. This doesn't take away the fact of what ADA is actually doing. They have a lot of great things going on over there. NFTs will start getting traded on there. Smart contracts, everything. It's going to go up from where it's at. It's just how low are we going to go before we... How low will the dip be before we rip? That's the question right here. Will we see Dogecoin hit 24 cents again and look to bounce? Quite possibly. Maybe we'll see Bitcoin 44.8, but we're really testing at 45 right here. We hit 44, 910 bucks. So if the whales really wanted to hit the market right now, they would crush it down right here. You'll see who's in control here shortly, guys. You'll know by tomorrow morning if the bears are in control. You'll see this thing below this 44.9, 44.8 mark. At that point, you know, it's just how far the bear is going to take it. Give ADA time. It has been a runner. Let come down and buy. I feel you, Ben Collins. I hear you, man. I just was expecting a little bit more out of it today. That's all. I'll go taking a dip, but still at 228, and it's 17% up. Yeah, I got you with that one, Jonathan K. SNL ADA. I hope not. I'm just waiting for it to bounce, guys. Looks like a head and shoulders could be forming on the 45-minute for Bitcoin. I don't have the 45, but I got the hour. We had a really strong run up right here, all the way to 52. That was coming from back from 26. And this right here, that 1 hour candle, just, man, that was the worst day. That just really put us back in bearish territory. And that was the psychological level we needed to get over. I'm still hoping for a bear trap, guys. I'm still hoping to trap all these shorts right here. We'll see what's going on with the whale wars. It could get pretty interesting come this week. What's up, One Shot? Ada Cordano is long play. Just be patient for a few weeks and see what happens. That's what I'm doing, man. I'm not looking to exit, but I would start to get a little nervous around 225 area. I'll start getting a little concerned that the bears are really taking control, and it might just give me with a little bit better buying opportunity. Ada Cordano, what's up, Vampire Kangaroo? How you doing, man? Wolf Street cheat sheet. I don't have that, man. We can look at the Bitcoin weekly though. I mean, could you see 30K eventually? Sure you can. I would like to see a little bounce here shortly. We might be heading lower on Bitcoin. I mean, it's very, very possible. You might see 42 again. The 50-day moving average is... the 14-day is at 41,000. 50-day is at 37,000. So, I mean, on the weekly, you're still in bullish territory. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour, that hard sell-off we saw Tuesday really put us in some bearish territory. That's why you kind of seen it just bleed off. RSI is really oversold. Hopefully we get some excitement pumping back into the market, really heat that RSI up. Because you can see at the peak 52, that RSI was really up there, 70, and then it crashed it out on everybody. But it all depends on what position you're in on ADA. Yeah, I mean, I fully think ADA will be around $6 this year, man. $6 to $10. And, you know, I thought smart contracts was going to be a great way to start that off. We're just not seeing it right now. One Shot, how much ADA do you have, man, if you don't mind me asking? MMM Crypto says he's still bullish with a close like over 42.5. Yeah, there's a bunch of different price targets out there. I'm liking 45.5. That's my major level to tell me that the bulls are back in control. And we briefly, let me see right here. So 46,459. We briefly went over it. Everything was pretty good in rocking. We saw ADA get to 278. It's just can't hold it. Can't freaking hold it. My ADA average is 1.6. ADA goes to $6. I'm leaving my college for good. Well, pack your bags, my dude, because I think ADA is going to head there this year, man. Turn my volume up real quick. All right, let's pop back over, check out some XRP, guys, because that's one lawsuit is coming up. Josh. That's funny, man. Hey, same here, 163. Just on the 4-hour chart, XRP, everything is just on a bear flag right here. So until we get a real good break back above that 200-day moving average, everything's going to be kind of stale right here. I hope we don't continue selling off. I don't want to see that 200-day moving average starting to tilt toward the downside. I want to see this 14-day start to hook, really get some momentum. We had some pretty decent numbers on crypto until that flash crash. This was that spike for Coinbase briefly listing XRP on its platform, and you can see it ran pretty good right here, all the way to come all the way back down. So right here we got the 50-day looking to cross underneath the 200-day moving average. So that's also not looking too hot right there. But they are within a tight low range right here, so things can turn around really quickly, guys. I'm pretty sure it looks the same across most of the cryptos out there. If Bitcoin gets to 100K, ADA will get to $8-10, I'm sure. Oh yeah, dude, definitely. I think you'll see Ethereum around 6-7, possibly $8,000 around that range, maybe even higher. It's just the bears are in control right now, guys, and the market's trading sideways. That's what sucks right now about crypto. But we've had a really good run up from where we came from to where we're heading. So I'm still hanging tight with the belief that things will turn around here. You can see since that major run up, we lived a long time underneath that 200-day moving average on XRP, and that run finally got us above it, and now we're back below it. I don't think we're going to continue to bleed off the rest of the way like we did for that last run up in May. I'm just currently waiting for a turnaround right here. Give me a confirmation that the market is picking back up. And I have small positions, 3,000 coins. Got in for 5 Gs. That's what's up, man. That's not what I want. So ADA is still hanging tight around 245. A break below this, we could fall out pretty good, guys. So just keep your eyes on it. On the 4-hour, the 14-day moving average is above the 200-day. It's not really hooking quite yet, but if we don't get some momentum picking back up, that thing's going to start to turn. That 50 days coming down. We got all three convergence, so it could be a start of a new trend come shortly, guys. And hopefully we get that to the upside this time instead of breaking to the downside, because that's never good when you're heavily invested in security. And it does tend to break to the downside like it did here all the way to 207. I don't know if it's true or not, but I've been seeing Tesla is talking about taking payments through Cardano. Again, I haven't done any research. I heard it seen on a YouTube title. Yeah, I didn't hear nothing about it, man. I've heard talks, little talks here and there about it, but nothing major. My biggest mistake is that I sold ADA at 0.7. Oh, that sucked. Dude, you got rid of all your ADA at 70 cents? Oh, what time is the SpaceX launch tomorrow? Let's check it out. Tomorrow, Wind Moon for us, dude, it's gonna be tomorrow at 7 p.m. So cool. If I'm home, I'll try to put it up on a live stream. That'd be pretty cool. Josh says just locked in some more XRP. Yeah, XRP when it goes to go, man, it's gone. It might be the next runner. I mean, I thought ADA was going to be, but it shows you who was in control today. A lot of people shorting it, a lot of people selling it, but that doesn't necessarily concern me because I saw a lot of YouTubers out there like buy ADA up to September 12th, and a lot of people probably listen to these people. You know, to me, it's a strong buy and hold right now at the levels you're seeing. It's going to be a lot higher this year, guys. Sold a few around 298 and still looking, adding ADA for the long term. Have ADA in 2 platforms. That's what's up, One Shot GT, man. How did your other play go the other night, man? SRN? I forgot the name of the crypto. Let me see. I thought I had it on my watch list. One Shot GT 5K. What's up, Loku? Is ADA gonna move? It will, man. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. I know everybody's down today. We had 5.73%. Don't lose hope in your play. We have a little ascending level of support going on. It's on the screen right here. I think it'll be fine, man. A break to the downside could put us in some further bearish territory. So that's what I'm currently watching for right here. We are getting a little bit of a bounce right here, so that is a good sign. And we have all 3 moving averages converging upon each other, which could signify a start of a new trend. And being that the 14-day is not dipping under 200, that's a very good sign right here, guys. We could have a start of a new trend heading upwards on ADA. So the charts, while they don't look great, they don't look horrible either. But Loku, I see you new to the channel, man. I hope you consider sticking around, hitting that subscribe button for us, man. Greatly appreciate it. Guys, if y'all could take 1 second, hit that like button for me. That's all I need. Thank y'all very much. What's the expectations on XRP if it goes big? I'm hearing a lot of talks between $5 and $10 this year, man. XRP could absolutely explode. It'd be a huge win for the crypto space against the SEC once this lawsuit gets cleaned up. And they're in the final stages right now, man. And we saw XRP rip on the Coinbase, accidentally listing the charts. And that just goes to show you, once the lawsuit news comes out, you're going to have big pumps on XRP. They have a really big army. Yep, I knew about the AVAX, man. SRM, that's what it was. Let me check it out real quick. Pull it up on my phone. $11.86. What price did you get rid of it at, man? Oh, it's down 10%. It's definitely lower than when you sold it, man. Let me see. My average XRP is 60. Oh, dude, you sitting perfect, man. You sitting tight right now. Oh, thank you, Jason Gregory. Appreciate that, man. Says I hit the like before you started talking. I'm not. I'm flying from New Zealand to Colorado, and then I'm going to burn down. That's funny, man. SRM is still holding, and AVAX is 2. But I got in early. Remember, I sold half for profits and holding the rest. Hey, man. That's good. That's good to see, man. So at least you secured your original investment with maybe a little bit of profits. I saw it was down like 9%. So all these red dots popping on the screen for crypto. XRP just hanging in there, up 1.21%. We got Litecoin 178, Bitcoin 45.22. Doge 24.16 and ADA 243. Will we dip for the rest of the night? I hope not. I think we're at a pretty major level bounce point right here. So we'll see, guys. We shall see. But I'll be keeping my eye on SRM for you, dude. I thought I had it on my watch list, but it was not. And let's see what AVAX is at, man. AVAX is only down 2%. What price you got AVAX at, one shot? The past 7 days, man, it's been doing its thing. Okay, you did the same thing with AVAX. That's a pretty good move, man, because it looks like you had a pretty good top right there, and it looked like it might try to come back down. So definitely can't knock you for that, man. I think that was a pretty good decision. Take you some tendies. Take you some tendies off the top. We might see this 44.8 if it keeps retesting this. We're really testing this level of support, dropping underneath it briefly on Bitcoin. There we go again, 44.9. Let's give it some JFK real quick.
But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this?
Maybe some JFK will get Bitcoin's mind right. We choose to go to moon. And sold half the other night. Okay, already read that. I got in at 48 and added more, ended up 50. Oh, so you got in at 48 bucks, you sold at 50. Hey man, when I started trading, I just wanted to pay for my lunch, so any profits is profits, man, in the book for me. I think that's very cool, man. Let's check the top runners on Coinbase real quick. See what we're looking at. So Atom up 23.32% today. Someone was bringing up Atom the other night. I can't remember who it was, but it had a really decent run up today. XTZ is up 19%. XYO is down 16%. Polkadot having a good day. Polkadot's another sleeper with the NFT network, guys. They're slowly gaining steam on everybody else. So I'm watching Polkadot back of my eye. Algo's back up 15%. I just don't know if it's sustainable. It's having a pretty good bounce point right here. So if y'all guys are looking to get into Algo, maybe a short-term trade, you might be able to ride it back up to that 250 range if we do signify a pretty good little bounce right here. Great motivation. Yeah, I'm not saying it'll never happen, man, but it's I don't think that's Elon's main focus right now is accepting ADA for Tesla. Maybe one day. We'll see what happens. I mean, ADA is the number 3 crypto still. But you know, we saw Solana lose a lot of steam, so a lot of people were selling out of Solana. We did think that actually held true for the most part. So Solana is losing some steam. And I think it's because investors are possibly taking their profits out of Solana, maybe shorting down ADA, and then they're going to look to hop and long it. So that's my theory right now, what's going on with the markets. We'll see if it holds true. And if it does, you should, if the whales are really in control, you'll start seeing some bounces here. I really don't want to go back to the days of 42 Bitcoin. It just takes the whole market down, gets bearish. It's, you know, it's not a good thing to see people losing money unless you're putting everything, which I don't do that over here. So good luck to you if you have shorts. The market can move really fast either direction right now. I'm just waiting for a nice little pop. We might see a retest on Bitcoin 40. It's hanging around 45, but if we keep retesting like that, we're gonna get that break to the downside. Invu says we should see a clear bounce from here. That's what I'm really hoping. That's what I'm really hoping. You got a pretty good level of support. You're trading within a channel right here. This is the 4 hour. I mean, the RSI is ready to go. We just need to get some volume and some buying pressure stepping back up. You got plenty of room to run. It's just, are the bears in control? Because if they are, they're going to keep pushing it down, knocking us back down, possibly within 44 to 43. And, you know, we got really strong support at 43.5. We saw it right here. So we'll see what happens for this upcoming week, guys. But I won't be touching any crypto mining stocks for tomorrow unless Bitcoin has a pretty good run-up. Starts getting above 46. Then you might see some, you'll probably see some red across the mining stocks tomorrow, guys. Oh, I got you one shot, GT. That makes more sense. You sold it last Saturday for 63. That's what's up, man. Making them tendy. Solana is a twig fire. Cardano is a hey, I got you, man. I was saying the other night, I think ADA is going to really steal the show from Solana. Solana had a really decent run-up, guys. Got in the top 10. And I think ADA smart contracts is taking steam away from it right now. And ADA is just getting ready to go. What makes these commentators think that Matic is going to magically be the last coin to have a pump? Why does it take a number like, you know, you do at the DPS? I don't know what you're talking about, man. I personally think Matic would be a decent hold just with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade coming in February. The way they integrate it with it, it will be a part of it. So I think you'll have some pretty good, decent gains the rest of the year with Matic as well, too. I don't think it's going to be nothing crazy, but, you know, I think you'll see higher gains. Let's see where Matic's at right now. Let's pull up some Matic. So Matic's 127 down, same as ADA right now. Coming off that bear flags, the whole market looks the same right now. Until we get volume pumping back into the crypto space, we'll have to see, guys. But I'm not holding any more Matic. We got a couple guys over here that are actually holding it. I'm not part of it right now. I'll touch HUT because it's down and I want to lower my average. I would wait for a little bit, Jason. I think you might be able to get a little bit cheaper, man. I think XLM is going to have a huge run just like Tezos and Solana. Yeah, I like some XLM, man. We've been preaching the Coinbase debit card on this channel for quite some time. Anything you buy on it, you get 4% interest, man. Very, very cool thing. Definitely a good way to stack up on some XLM, my friend. So Bitcoin right now, 44,924. Let me pull that up on the chart because we are getting that retest. Got some super chats coming in. Got a $10 super sticker for One Shot GT. Thank you very much, man. You have been supporting the channel, man, a lot. Thank you, dude. I really appreciate it. With the back-to-back $5 and the $3 super sticker. Thank you, man. Greatly appreciate it. Win Moon. OMG, he's gonna break it. That's funny, man. It's funny because he did. He called OBS to cause a malfunction that night. That was pretty funny, man. Coming in hot with another $10 super sticker. This dude is trying to break OBS, man. Hey, One Shot GT, thank you, man. Thank you very much, dude. Definitely the man, my friend. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm a sucker for them super stickers. Wind Moon. OMG, he's gonna break it. Oh, if I was on camera right now, I'd have been broke. I'd have had to stop it. Let's go crypto next week. Hopefully good. Hey, man, I'm all for it, dude. I hope it's going to be a really green week for crypto, guys. You just might be able to get some stocks a little bit cheaper. But yeah, Josh, what I was saying about the Coinbase debit card, dude. 4% XLM. You can't beat it, dude. Anything you purchase, transfer money every week. You pay your house note, car note, get all that stuff. 4% back. Great way to stack up your crypto if you believe in XLM, man. Make sure to check it out. Is that interest retroactive on any purchase I made in the past? No, man. It's anything that you purchase, like from the time you get the card. So, 4%, man, can't beat it. Great way to stack up your crypto. One Shot GT coming in hot with 2 more $5 super stickers, man. Says keep it up, dude. Thank you, man. That's not necessary, dude, but you have been greatly supporting the stream, man. Thank you very much, dude. He's just plexing. He will call the credit card company in the morning and call it fraud. Damn, what's up, Cedric? Damn, didn't know about the Coinbase card. That's pretty great. Yeah, man, you can make some really good returns, dude. Pay your house note, car note, electric bill, stuff you're already going to pay every month and get you 4% back, man. Or you can get 1% Bitcoin. But I think XLM and XRP are going to greatly outperform a lot of the market this year. That's why I think it's a great opportunity. We've been preaching it. I think a bunch of us over here actually have it and use it quite a bit. So definitely something to look at. And Cedric, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for us, man. We try to live stream every night over here. Love to have you join the family. One Shot GT, good live stream. Thank you, man. Invu says 2 Red Bulls and still tired, dude. I hear you, man. There's not much going on. 10 o'clock Central over here. Just crypto trading sideways type of night. Thought it was going to be a lot better. But still hoping for a great week, guys. We're going to go over HUT, see where HUT's at. See what we're looking at. One Shot with another $5 super sticker, dude. Dude's going crazy, bruh. He's going absolutely insane with the super stickers, man. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. So this is HUT 8 mining over here, guys. I think HUT tomorrow, with the way Bitcoin's acting right now, 44.8, we're about to get that retest, so I'm gonna hurry up, pop that back over there. It's at 913, so you might possibly see that 913 retest, and then you have that technical breakout level at 850, 841. That's when we had this major run up, so be on the lookout for that. Those are your 2 levels I would say for HUT tomorrow. $9, you have really strong support. I think if you see $9 on HUT tomorrow and you get a bounce, that might be a pretty good opportunity. You could possibly swing trade it back up to 11, depending on what the almighty Bitcoin that reflects this actually does. So let's pull up Bitcoin because we're getting a retest right now. And I don't know if anybody shorts stuff, but quite possibly short it tomorrow morning. You might do decent, have 5% off a short tomorrow. Pull up the 5-minute candles. But I'm not into puts over here, man. I like the market to go up. So let's see what's about to happen here real quick, guys. 5-minute chart on Bitcoin. $44,888. Let's see what happens. Oh, Envu, you came from 2020 Techs? Did not know that, man. Yeah, I was over there the other night. Me and him had a little interview together. Went well. AMP is kind of like the PayPal of crypto, my friend. XRP will be adopted by all the major banks, but AMP is kind of like because a Bitcoin transaction takes quite a good amount of time. So what they do is they'll approve the payment and get paid later. So that's how they differ, man. XRP is more business institutional. AMP is going to just work a lot in the retail. Anytime Bitcoin is transferred, it's just going to take it, automatically approve the transaction, and get paid later. So I'm very big on AMP. I think it's going to be great in the future. I think it's built not to have super massive moves, even though we started talking about it back when it was like 4 cents. I met the AMP community, and yes, they do. They call themselves the Empire. They gave us some free AMP. I handed it out on the stream, and right after that, it ran up 40%, came back to earth. So that was the biggest move I've seen AMP make so far, was that 40% gain since we've been talking about it, and it's still trading around 5-6 cents. I think anything between 4 and 5 is a pretty decent gain for it. But here we go right here, guys. Real quick, getting a retest. Looks like 44,800. Nice. Heading back up. Looks like it was about to go down to get that hard retest. What's up, Skydive? Good to see you, though. Oh my God, 7-0. Just saying hi and get, dude. I forgot to take off Streamlabs. I'm extremely sorry about it, man. I'm taking that off immediately after the stream. Good to see you still in here, Rick. Rick, you still holding your hut? Skydive, I still got the bot up. The bot's still out here swinging. So Riot's another one. I don't know if anybody's still in Riot, but that could end up being a bad day tomorrow in the crypto mining stocks. And it kind of was a tall tale sign because Friday, where's Riot on here? It was down 5% in the aftermarket. Usually when Bitcoin runs on the weekend, you'll see the institutions really take a hold of it in the aftermarket hours. They'll have some pretty nice pops. It really didn't do that this weekend. I think the market was a little bit undecisive about where it thought it was actually heading, and you're seeing a reflection of that right now. Doge at 24.12, going back to get that retest, probably looking the same as Bitcoin. Is back following Bitcoin right now. And guys, if it was just one major crypto doing the same thing, they all looking pretty much the same. Going back to retest right now, I'm not concerned about it in the least bit. The market will be back. It's just, taking a little dip right now, pull back from that major run up we had. I'm thinking possibly next week or two could be a little turnaround here, get us to some higher highs, get Bitcoin back above 50K. Oh, awesome, man. Yeah, because tomorrow could end up being a pretty bad day for the crypto mining stocks. Pretty bad day, I'm thinking. I think you'll see $9 on HUD again. So, anybody still in AMC in here? Let's pull up some AMC real quick. So AMC closed above 50, guys. Looking very good right here. Major consolidation above this level of support. Let's see what happens. Might get a pretty good pump in here come first thing in the morning. Might get back to 51, 52 really quick. So I'm back watching AMC right now, guys. It is doing some pretty nice things. You got that level of support. plus that 200-day moving average sitting right at 50. So you got really should have pretty good support right here. So it'll be very interesting to see who shows up to the fight tomorrow. Ghost Rider says, I'm still in AMC. That's what's up. It's looking very good right now, especially the 30-minute chart. That looks really, really bullish. I'd have to zoom back out. The only thing that little concerns me about it is if you pop the ascending level of support right here, you possibly have some room to come back down. But you do have strong support from the level you're at. Let me go ahead and pop that for you, Ghost Rider. But you're above that level. Hopefully we'll consolidate right here and continue to pop up from this point on. That's what I'm hoping for. So I'll be keeping my eye close again on AMC, guys. Definitely things are heating up over there again. Closing back above 50. One Shot GT with a $20 super chat, dude. Thank you, dude. Thank you very much, man. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, man. Hopefully we'll continue to make some tendies over here, man. Jason Gregory says, I have AMC. One Shot, if you can see me right now, I'm doing a shirt helicopter for you. Yeah, Ghost Rider, I'm surprised the bot did not time you out from that $20 super chat coming in from One Shot GT. I have 10.6 shares of AMC. Not many, but I have some. Hey, at least you got a piece of the pie, man. Hopefully you're buying it super early, man. Yes, drunk dude bumped me while I was driving. Oh, I got you talking to Skydive. Josh is saying a few weeks ago, I placed a Hail Mary on an option. I believe it was a long term on BTMC with less than 1 day. An option I paid $5 for and parlayed to a $1,275 gain, dude. Hey, dude, that's what's up, dude. That is some luck, my friend. That is awesome, dude. There's nothing wrong with that. My average 22 on AMC. Thanks for the reminder. Forgot to buy it a long time ago. I got you, man. Yeah, AMC's looking nice right now. You're up well over 100%. And usually I try to tell people, you know, if you're up 100%, don't be afraid to take profits and play on house money. You can never lose that way. It's a really good way to trade. Oh, you saying you got into an accident, dude? I didn't realize that when I read that. Yeah, dude, I hope you're good, man. One Shot GT dabbing for us, dude. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you've been doing for supporting the channel, man. Really means a lot. KC still in the chat. What's up, my dude? AMC average at 14.25, still holding. That's what's up, man. KC's been rocking with us since the beginning days where I was bigger in the AMC. Guys, I mean, if you follow me, I did take some profits off AMC. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It was a big part of my life for a long time, but the play just for me. I still believe in the cause. I still have a couple shares, but I didn't have anything like what I had invested way back when. I mean, it's not that much, just 20 shares. Oh, I got you, man. Hey, at least you got a piece of the pot, though. Good, man. Good to see you good. Who's out riding their bike right now? I must have got lost in that conversation. But nonetheless, guys, Bitcoin 44,974, Dogecoin 2409. You might see that retest of 24. You might possibly will wake up underneath 24, guys. It sucks to even have to come here and say that. But if we don't start bouncing here shortly, which I think we can. I mean, looking at this right here, that was the Elon tweet. So we're just coming back down from where we were. The harder you run up, the harder you fall. So I fully expect some little bounce. We'll probably trade within this range and see what the market's feeling like tomorrow morning. First thing, I don't know if the mask mandate that Biden put out the other last week is actually affecting the markets. Maybe that's why everything's heading down. We'll know fully more this week when we see the stock market open up tomorrow. See how the crypto market's actually reacting. See if we get any news pumping in for the remainder of the week. I mean, there's a bunch of different factors we need to input over here. They could be doing a government shutdown come shortly, unless they pass the bill that they're working on. So we'll keep all that into consideration for our short-term trading, guys. I think we'll know a lot more this upcoming week. I think we'll know a lot more tomorrow morning when the stock market opens. Let's see what's happening. Nope, ain't nothing wrong with taking no profits, man. 100%. I had bought a few shares of AMC at 16 because I kept buying. My average has went up to 27. Hey, he's still sitting up pretty nice, Jason. Yep, you're 100% right, Scott Ive. It's always good to have some, better than none. 20 shares can turn to 1,000 if you work it. Less than a year ago, ADA was 15 cents. That's when I bought most of my ADA. Yeah, that was a really nice buy. Extremely nice buy. Yes, Snowman. Good to see you, dude. Bot is working. Yep, that's it. Vampire Kangaroo mask mandates might be, scaring the market a little bit. Just being honest with y'all, man. Just what I think. Hey, Josh. I'm from Louisiana, man. I'm right there with you, dude. OFC didn't sell anything yet. I joined the time. Let me see. May want to take a look at SAVA profit. Went up $800 on Friday. Still in it. SAVA. Is that a crypto or a stock? I don't even know what that is. Let me know if it's a crypto or a stock, because I'm not seeing it on the Weeble charts. Need an upgrade, yo? Yeah, I know it's coming, man. I'm going to be doing some pretty major upgrades to the stream. It is coming. It just takes so much work on the back end for this OBS stuff. It really does. 80244. It's a stock, SAVA. Is it Cassava Science? Well, if you'd have bought that 44 dip right there, you'd been sitting pretty nice. Came down from 125, 150. It might be due for a good little pop here. I'll put it on my radar. See if you got any news popping in. From 44, it had a pretty good bounce to 50. Not a bad little swing trade play right there. Go get her. Like how you spell go. Louisiana way, my friend. Take a look at AVA. Let's see what we got over there. AVA down 2%. You might be getting a little bottom right here, double bottom. Might not be a little buying, good little buying opportunity. Ride it up a couple bucks, man. I don't know if you really had some news, but you came a long way back from 50 all the way to 40.99. He's sitting at 41.21. I'd wait to see if you do get a retest right here. Some point you might get a bounce. That was one day it got shorted down really good. Maybe some bad news popping in. I'll put it on my watch list. Look at it. Oklahoma. Yep, I got you, man. Hopefully crypto is good next weekend, and for sure no problem taking profits when it hits. That's what's up, man. It's always smart to take you some profits, my friend. Glad to see you doing that, man. That way you cannot lose out. Although y'all have some pretty serious mud bugs over there in the Chaffalaya Basin. Yes, we do, man. You're making me hungry for crawfish, man. I haven't had some in quite some time, guys. We did have some gumbo, though. We had a little bit of cold front. And that's all going away. I got to prepare for another small little tropical storm coming through. Possibly Tuesday. I don't think it's going to be nothing major, just a big rainmaker. But that's the perks of living on the Gulf of Mexico. So Snowman going ahead and fighting with the bot. All right, guys. So tomorrow, hopefully we hold 24 through the night and we bounce from this point up. I'll keep everybody alerted in the Discord. Here's a link right here. I'm going to pop it in here. There's a link to 100% free Discord, guys. You get alerts when we go live. We talk about stocks and crypto all day. Hopefully y'all decide to join it. But I'm going to look to go ahead and hop off of here. Hopefully we'll have a great green day in crypto tomorrow. We'll keep Bitcoin above 45, but be looking for that 44.8, possibly 44.7 level on Bitcoin. Be looking for a bounce. Watch your crypto mining stocks tomorrow. They might not be doing too hot. And also look for XRP to possibly continue to uptrend even if the market's heading the other way. I hope ADA does too. One quick second on ADA. Hopefully we get a bounce around 242 if we continue going down and head back up to that 270 range. That's what I'm hoping for. So, yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do as soon as I hop off. That bot is going to get taken down. So, at least the caps. So that way people aren't getting timed out for that. That's stupid. But you telling me Harvey G's 2 trillion gallons of water? Dude, it might turn. I don't know, because Harvey, when it popped over Houston, man, it sat for like days. I don't know what this thing's gonna do, but they're predicting 5 to 8 inches of rain where I'm at, so that's a pretty good bit. I don't know how bad the weather's gonna be, but if everything's 100% good with the power and internet, of course I'll be streaming, guys. I just hope it's gonna be to some higher numbers on crypto. That's what I'm really, really hoping for. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate you. Lady, y'all make that money. Thank you, Skydive. KC. Later One Shot GT. Rick, thank y'all. Be on the lookout for some pretty good movement this week. I know everything's kind of sideways right now. It's kind of boring, but it can heat up real quick, guys. I'm still a long-term bull. We're still in an uptrend. Don't let anything get you down. If y'all need me, I'm in the Discord. Messages are always open, guys. Feel free to let me know. But much love. Why would XRP go against the market real quick, Josh? As soon as XRP comes out that lawsuit, it could flip things around pretty quick, man. I really think XRP is going to start moving within the next 2 weeks, man. I think news of the lawsuit will come to an end, and it could really do some really nice things really quickly, especially if the market's red. XRP will just absolutely rip and do its thing. So, Josh, where are you? Real quick, where are you from again? I know you said you were from Texas. Is it Houston? All right, well, cool. I'll hit you up into the Discord, man, to find out. But thank you guys. I'm gonna look to hop off. I'll see y'all tomorrow night, and hopefully we'll be looking at some pretty green tendies for tomorrow, guys. So much love, peace, everybody. Thank you all for being out supporting the stream, man. Thank y'all very much for all the super chats and love. I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow. Peace.